Hi guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel, and I just realized that I was doing a video for like 20 minutes and it wasn't friggin' recording, okay? So here I am again recording the same video, and let's hope that it records successfully by the time I finish this. Okay. So let me talk about what I was going to talk about, and that is Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube without making videos. Okay, now obviously you're probably watching this because that is what you are looking for, and I can tell you that it is very possible to do that, and I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do that. Okay, so you can start making money on YouTube as a Amazon affiliate marketer, okay, without making video. You're not getting in front of a camera, and you're not speaking or anything, but it's actually a software that generates you videos. So you have to make videos on YouTube to make money, unless you're spam commenting everywhere, but that's not what I'm talking about in this video. What I'm talking about is you have a YouTube channel and you are creating videos, but you're not going to be in front of the video talking, or you're not going to be like, it's just basically a presentation. Okay, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So the two tools that I'm going to be talking about today is Vidnami, that's the first one, and the second one is Vidli. Okay, those are the only two tools that you need to invest some money in to start making this work for yourself. Okay, and it's not an expensive investment. I'm not asking for thousands. This is literally a couple of $100 to get started. And actually, Vidnami, you can get a free trial anyway. So you get like, I think it's a week free, 7-day free trial. And you will see, like, you can test it out for yourself, the power of this. You're going to love this. When you get it, you're going to just see how amazing it is. Okay, so you get the 7-day free trial with Vidnami, and then you also get Vidli. Now Vidli is just the best marketing tool in the world. Like, I literally love this tool. It's a video marketing tool that ranks your videos on the first page of Google and YouTube. Yes, it's freaking amazing. And when I first got started on YouTube, I hated YouTube marketing. I hated videos because I could never freaking get my videos ranked. Like, no one used to see my videos. Now, I don't care if a few people see my videos. I'm not looking for millions and millions of views. I just needed that bunch of views, enough to make some sales, and that's all you really need. You need a couple of hundred views on your videos. You don't need a lot of views, guys, to make a full-time living on YouTube. Okay, and since using this software, it's only been a couple of days, and every single video has been able to rank for that keyword, because thanks to this software. Okay, literally, I'm not exaggerating. I don't hype shit up, but I'm telling you, I love this software. And in fact, I'm going to do a YouTube video, okay, showing you, like, live proof of how fast I can rank Amazon affiliate products. I haven't even done it yet, but I'm so confident that I can do it, because every single video that I have done so far has ranked. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do it with Amazon affiliate products. Okay, so you get those two tools. That is $47 one-time payment, one-time fee of $47. Like, guys, $47 is literally nothing. Like, compared to what it's offering, like, to actually rank your videos on the first page of Google and YouTube. Like, literally, if that's working for you, wouldn't you pay a one-time $47? Of course you will. So that's why I decided to invest in it for myself, and it bloody worked, and I'm using it, and I absolutely love the software. That's why I promote it. I don't really promote the stuff that is not working for me, and that is, I find crap, basically. I'm not going to promote that shit. Okay, so Vidli is amazing. Oh. Sorry guys, my throat is going because I'm literally cranking out so many videos recently. Like I said, since this software, I've been cranking out videos because I know now I can finally get people to watch them. So even if it's a small amount of people, I'm cool with that, as long as, you know, I'm ranking on YouTube and Google. So anyway, getting back to it. So Vidinami is the first tool, and that is to create beautiful videos, okay? So the second one is Vidli. Vidli is to rank your videos on the first page of Google and YouTube. I don't know how many times I've said it, but I'll say it again. It ranks your videos on YouTube and the first page of Google. Like, that is just priceless. It's priceless because that's how you're going to get traffic. That's how you're going to get sales. And that makes your videos worthy, and like, it makes it worthwhile to do. Don't you feel like, have you ever done video like YouTube and like YouTube videos and like no one sees your videos? Isn't that really off-putting and like depressing? I don't know about you, but it really depressed me. When that shit used to happen to me, I used to feel depressed, like proper depressed. Like, why isn't anyone watching my videos? And then you start feeling like, oh, maybe I'm just not good at this. Maybe I'm crap at this. What is wrong with me? No, it's because you need to slightly tweak things. You're not doing things 100%. But I'm telling you now, if you get this software, it will change your results on YouTube. If you've ever done YouTube videos, test this out, and I guaranteed it will work if you do it correctly. Okay? So anyway, getting back to it. How do you make this Amazon affiliate marketing work on YouTube? So so basically, Vidnami creates these beautiful quality videos for you, and you basically, you give it a script, okay? You give it a script. Now, what you want to do, let's say okay. Let's get to the, let's do it in order, because right now I'm just talking all over the place, okay? The first thing that you want to do as an Amazon affiliate marketer is get an Amazon affiliate account. That's the first thing, okay? Second thing, you want to pick your niche, okay? So you pick a niche. Don't go general. 1 minute you're promoting fishing, then you're promoting tennis, then you're promoting weight loss products. You want to be specific pick a niche, okay? Pick a popular, profitable niche, okay? It could be fishing. Fishing is a popular niche. Weight loss is definitely a very popular niche, okay? You pick a niche. Once you've done that, you've signed up on Amazon for an affiliate account, then you want to go to Amazon and you find hot sellers in your niche, okay? You find hot sellers, hot selling products in your niche, and you check the BSR. Now, I will do a video on this. I will actually show you and do a live video, live demonstration of how to pick a product, how to find the right product, and how to rank your videos. I'm actually going to do a live demonstration of how fast this software actually ranks your videos, like so fast. I'm going to show you, okay? Because I'm super confident that I can actually rank any Amazon product with YouTube. If you do it correctly, you can do practically any Amazon product, okay? You just have to get the keyword right. So, that being said, once you've done that and you've found your product, then you go to your videos. So you go to Vietnam. No, first you research it on Google. So do your Google research on, let's say we're picking this product, okay? You don't need a physical product in front of you. Bura Therapy Spa Mini Massager, okay? So you type that in. Let's say you found this one, but not physically. You found it online, okay? So you found a product on Amazon, and then you type it into Google, and then obviously you're going to get a bunch of descriptions of what this product is. You know, like it's a description of all of its characteristics, what it does, you just a bunch of points of what this product is and what it can do and blah blah blah. Yeah. So then you go to your you copy and paste all of that information. Now, don't leave it copy and pasted, because you don't want to copy the exact words. You copy and paste this, put it into your script in Vidnami, because it gives you a script that you can actually fill out. And then what you do is you change the wording slightly, and then what Vidnami would do is create the video for you, done for you. Okay, isn't that amazing? It creates the video for you, so you don't even have to be on camera, you don't have to talk, you don't have to do any of that shit. You just you do it through Vidnami. And not just that, but it puts together high quality images, video clips, everything related. Like, let's say if you're talking about an orange peeler, yeah, it will show you a beautiful, you know, like a video clip of very professional video clip of an orange peeler, you grating the orange or peeling the orange or whatever, yeah. And it puts it together and makes it in such a nice video for you. Once you've done that, you can upload it to YouTube, and make sure to use Vidli. Okay, so then you use the keyword research tool in Vidli, generate a code, put it in your videos, and watch how it will rank. So you're ranking your videos on Google and on YouTube for that product. Now, whoever is searching for that product, you know they're going to go and buy from you because you're on the first page. If you're on the first page, you will get sales. You will make profit. You will get eyeballs to your affiliate link. It's just a no-brainer, okay? So if you can rank your videos for that for that product, you know, if people are searching for this, and quite a few people, that's why I say popular, make sure it's popular, because you know, if it's popular, you know people are searching for it for sure, 100%, okay? If it's like a keyword, if it's a product that's not that popular, you might not get much searches. But if it's a popular product, people are gonna search for it, okay, for sure. You need to check the BSR rankings, and I'll do a video on that, okay? How to find a popular keyword on Amazon, blah, 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 all of that. But basically, let's say, so whoever's searching for this very keyword, you know for a fact they're looking for this product, okay? Now, if you're up there on the first page of Google and on YouTube, because this software, Vidli, it ranks you on Google as well, okay? Now, if you rank for that product on Google, you don't think you're going to get sales. Of course you're going to get sales because you're on the first page, okay? It's just how it works. If you're on the 5th page, no one's going to see you. If you're on the 2nd page, no one's probably going to see you. Also, maybe you might get a few here and there, but if it's a small targeted keyword that only gets a few hundred, probably no one's going to see it, okay? It needs to be on the first page. That's how you really, you know, benefit from the traffic that you're getting, okay? You need to be on the first page, and the tool that does that for you is Vidli, okay? So that being said, that is it for this video. That's basically in a nutshell how to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube without making any videos of your own, okay? So I hope you've taken some good stuff from this video. I mean, you can literally go out now and apply this, what I just told you right now. You can apply it and start making money as an Amazon affiliate, literally. All you need to do is get those 2 tools and you can literally start making money with this, like literally. $47 one-time payment, Vidli, and I think it's like $27. I might be wrong, I don't know, but check the price below. I don't know, guys, I can't remember the price, but that's Vidnami, okay? Vidnami costs a monthly fee, but you can get the 7-day trial, okay? So if you want to test it out for yourself and see how amazing this is, because I can guarantee you this is a good software. I can tell you for a fact, I've used it for myself and I love it. I would never promote a product that is crap, okay? This is far from crap, guys. This is amazing. I love them so much. I love 2 of these tools so much, okay? Because I love any tools that can transform my business, okay? And these are the 2 tools definitely to invest your money in, okay? Get the 7-day free trial and get the basic version of Vidli. If you want to take your video ranking to the next level, then you go pro. But you know, I wouldn't start with the pro. I would actually start with just the basic. Just see how the basic goes. You can get so much value in just the basic alone. I've only got the basic, but I will be going pro soon. you know, when I'm ready to take it to the next level, I'm definitely going pro. And that's only a monthly fee of, I think, of $47 a month. Okay, but you know, the basic alone, like I said, you can get a lot out of the basic, and that's only a $47 one-time payment. Okay, so like, subscribe, and hit the post notification bell. And I will, in the next video, I'm actually going to show you how you can rank. I'm going to do like, I'm going to create like a dummy YouTube account and show you how I'm actually ranking videos in seconds using Vidli. Yeah, using Vidli. Okay, how I can rank videos in seconds using the power of Vidli and this amazing software. Okay, and I'll probably do like a Amazon affiliate product so you can see that this works for Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and take care.